So what are the typical reporting methods for business intelligence? Just before that we encountered traditional batch, such as the Oracle BI apps, near real-time batch, through the micro ETL feature in the BI apps, you can get to a more frequent batch process. We've seen customers do 2, 3, 4 times a day. The ERP delivered reports, such as the BI Publisher reports that are available for PeopleSoft and Oracle E-Business Suite, and then a real-time BI solution. So let's take some examples. So a traditional batch would be able to answer questions such as what's the 3-year trend of sales expense versus order count that the chief operating officer may want to talk about, complex analytics, point in time, trend analysis, all of those things while minimizing the source system impact. So that kind of a query run against your ERP system would typically cause issues on the transactional side and slow things down. Disadvantages of this, or challenges, stale data, data availability, and it's obviously it's more time consuming in terms of that you have to develop the ETL process and then the metadata and metrics on top of it. Near real time is really a enhancement on the first one. So an example here would be, I want to see intraday sales summaries, midday and end of day, typically more focused questions, but again, something where I need to act, a user needs to act on that information in a more timely fashion. Challenges, maintenance, some latency, of course, is still there. It's not a true real-time solution. ERP delivered reporting is typically real-time, and it's pre-delivered by the ERP system. The disadvantages is typically you have user adoption issues because now you've introduced multiple tools. Typically limited functionality, such as ad hoc, is typically not available in terms of being able to create your own reports. You have an IT dependency. You lose at the concept of common metrics, and of course performance, both the performance impact on the ERP system or the CRM system, as well as the reports tend to be slower. Real time, we talked about the need for frequent trial balances during a financial close process as an example, up to the minute information, but I really would like to be able to do ad hoc reporting as well, as Bruce will talk about in his demo. I want to access it through a single portal. I want it to have security, and I would like it to have some standard metrics. Challenges is complex calculations can become very difficult to implement without a data warehousing solution. Data volumes, once you get into large data volumes, both your ERP as well as your reporting performance will definitely suffer. So really the takeaway here is to use the most appropriate reporting method for what you're trying to do and the business process that the reporting is trying to support.